My viewers, and I'm Akshita. I have 1 year old beautiful daughter. Her name is Gianna. I'm a mother. I'm a professional. I'm a homemaker, and that's it. My life is beautiful, and it's changed at most after my pregnancy. So, I wanted to make a video about what to expect for those who don't know what is going on with them, what pregnancy is, why, what is happening. No, nothing, no idea about what pregnancy is all about. So here is this. Here is the. I'm sorry if I'm if I'm speaking because I'm not reading anything. I'm just speaking from my heart. And here is what you are supposed to experience now that you're pregnant. So this is for the beginners who have not read any article, who don't know what pregnancy means, and they're young moms or maybe old moms and they're having their first kid, first experience. And believe me, it's very different. Life changes 360 degrees. Only you can understand what is happening to you. If you sometimes you want to talk to your other friends who already have kids, and you want to share with your mom, but I think some symptoms are such that even they are not able to understand why you are reacting in such way, why you are different from what happened to them. But sometimes I can tell you each case is different from another. So pregnancy is boon, and pregnancy is a little bit, uh, you can say, unexpectable things happening around you. I'll tell you what, the hormones level increase so drastically in your body that you just have all sort of emotions. Sometimes you feel like crying, sometimes you feel like laughing, sometimes you're sad, sometimes you're thinking about third person who you don't even know about, and you must have met just once or twice, and you just think about them, you feel sad about them. There are also like feelings. Sometimes you are feeling like nausea, sometimes you are feeling very weak, sometimes you're having headaches, and sometimes you are puking, and there are innumerable things, and tremendous up and down moments that keep happening in starting 3 to 4 months of your pregnancy. Some people also face these problems at the end of the pregnancy. If I tell you my personal problem, then or a personal case, then I had these all symptoms happening to me in my first 5 months. And believe me, I never traveled. I didn't wanted to smell oil or frying things. I didn't like the smell of anything. I used to puke out. I used to walk away from the house. I used to throw tantrums. And my husband used to not understand that why am I behaving in such a manner? Why have I become a brat all of a sudden, and cranky and crack and crazy? But these are all the phrases that happens during pregnancy. Believe me, you need somebody to tell you it's okay. That's all. And I never had somebody who was telling me, oh, that's okay, take it easy, take a chill pill, and you're fine. No. So I never got anyone. That's why I thought I will film a video where I'll be talking to people about all these problems and tell them that don't worry, this is just normal. These all things happen. You will see a lot of weight putting on your body. You will see your body becoming abnormal, your clothes not coming. You will not fit into your regular clothes. Your closet will change, your mood will change. There'll be a lot of up and down in what you like and what you don't like, and what you like smelling and what you don't like smelling. So it'll all these roller coasters, emotions, and everything is going to happen. But just relax, eat what you like eating. Also keep in mind that don't go anemic, because if you go anemic, that will lead you to weakness. You will all the more be in bed, you will not be active, you will not like talking to anybody, you will sweat all the time, you will be having nervous problems, and meaning nervousness, that is like sweating all the time, you don't want to talk, you're very down in your mood. And if on contrary, if you take your you increase your iron levels, eat properly, eat right, as well as tasty, whatever you like. You can eat a lot of iron things. I think those come like beet has a lot of iron. If you know beetroot, then carrots. Then I'm just saying whatever I remember I used to do. Raisins, black raisins have a lot of iron in them. Then whatever is a dark maroon color fruit or vegetable, or you can say nuts which are rich in iron, you can just consume them. I used to consume a lot of walnut. That used to give me a lot of strength, and I felt very active after eating them. So a lot of nuts I used to eat, figs, um, walnuts, and you can say almonds, and all those I used to love eating, and I have consumed them to utmost, you can say, because only those things were remaining in my stomach. Otherwise, I used to puke out a lot of things. Sometimes I don't like a taste of something and I feel weird about it. I'll just puke it out. You can also say you. Some people get weird on garlic smells and onion smell. They can't just bear those smells. So that is also one, that pungent smell. You don't like restaurant smells. You don't like, because your nose becomes so strong at time when you're pregnant, at that time, that you can smell any shit, and good, bad, everything you can smell very strongly. So don't go mad. Relax. Take a soap in your hand. Just keep smelling. Some people cannot tolerate lactose. So you get those medicines in Walgreens or any pharmacy, anti-lactose or lactose tolerant tablets. I don't know what the name is, but lactose, if you go finding in the store and tell them that you have some lactose consumption problem, they will suggest you some pills. You can have it in your pregnancy, because I think they are for pregnancy, more or less. Most of the pregnant female cannot tolerate lactose, so that's a solution for that. For motion, what you can do is you cannot travel. I have seen that many people cannot travel. Even I was not able to travel. I never sat in my own car. I have a Audi convertible. I can open the roof. I can enjoy the atmosphere, but still I used to not like the motion of the moving car, and I used to just hate it. I used to not like wearing belt. That used to make me pukish. So you see, I had all sort of symptoms. Majority of symptoms a person can experience in a pregnancy, I was having all of them. Most of it, yes. 90% I was down. And I did not even take care of my anemic level when I was in the initial stage of my pregnancy, because I didn't know. I didn't know that that was a root cause of me not being active, or that was a root cause of I am feeling weak and I'm so down and I'm feeling so sweaty. I didn't know that at that time. So I am telling you with my own experience that these are the things that you're supposed to take care before planning a pregnancy, if you can, or while you are while you are pregnant. Please make sure that you increase your iron levels first. Then if you have motion problems, then you can wear those, you get those bands in Walgreens or CVS or Walmart. I bought from Walgreens. Those bands are with those are bands are motion bands actually. You get for $1 in Walgreens. One of my friends, she just gave me, because I had a lot of motion problems. I never went purchasing them, but I did ask her, where did you buy that from? So she said she got them from Walgreens and she's done using them, and she had a good experience after using that. But I got it very late, so I never used it much. After that, after my 5 months, I was fine with motions and nausea and pucation. I was very fine with it, and I think your body also gets used to experiencing so much drastic and so many emotions and smells, and all the problems come in the first 5 months, that I think after 5 months, even if you're having problems, that are no more a problem. Your body is used to it now. So that is the main thing. And also be happy, keep seeing happy go lucky movies, or whatever you can say, feel good movies or entertaining dramas. And I used to see all those. I used to play games. Angry Bird was one of my favorite games that I used to play. and keep playing late nights. Sometimes I used to I sometimes I used to not get sleeps till late night, and I used to keep reading books, some funny joke books. Yeah, that does help in improving your mood, because no other than the books can help you. Also, see online what recipes you can make which will increase your protein, iron, and vitamin level, which is very essential while you're in your womb, for the baby, while the baby is growing. You will need all sort of different kind of minerals, vitamins, proteins, and B12s and everything for a nice healthy baby. Eat right, and that's the main thing. Also, mood swing is the major factor that happens, and also you will have short in your breathing. You will when you're breathing, you will get short of breath. You'll not able to breathe properly. You'll feel very tired very soon. So what you can do about it is, believe me, nothing. So just do a lot of yoga. I think yoga can help you in your breathing strategies. Also, you can stay fit, fine, and toned when you're doing yoga. And I have also seen people who start their pregnancy doing yoga till the end of their pregnancy, like ninth month. They keep doing yoga, and when they actually deliver a baby, it is so much easier for them, because they already know the right breathing practices are going on for 9 months, and giggle movements, and lot of toning is there in the legs and all that. Everything helps you to stay fit, to deliver a healthy child, and also in a quick manner. If you have your contractions and if you're doing yoga, it does help you in reducing your contraction pains, and faster delivery as well. That is what I have heard. And I have I think one of my close friends did tell me that she did not have that much pain that usually a person goes through, because she was doing yoga and her breathing helped her in pushing the baby out faster. She delivered a normal baby. So that way, if yoga is helping you to become fitter, finer, and making your breath or breathing problem easier, then why not try doing yoga? If you can't join classes, go online. There are a lot of videos people have uploaded. Just go online, do it at your home, do it at your own pace, do it at your own timings, whenever you're comfortable, whenever you're free. Just do it. Also, try putting a lot of pillows when you're sleeping. It'll be like you want to cuddle somebody while you're sleeping. Also, put your leg on the cushion while you're sleeping. That helps a lot. You feel very cozy. Otherwise, sleeping on a bed is also sometimes a lot of problem. You don't get right support, and you're very irritated in your sleep because of your lack of sleep. You develop dark circles, you look bad, and you are just angry next day morning. You're not fresh. So sleeping is a must, and sleep as much as possible. Take as much as rest. Also be active. Drink a lot of fluids and juices, vegetable juices, lot of vegetables, fruits. Just make your pregnancy a boon. That's what I want to say. If this video is helping you in planning out your pregnancy, even in your beginning months, just do it. I'll be very happy if you have a great pregnancy, not a pregnancy where you're lost, you don't know what to do. Okay, and one more thing, you have a lot of heartburn sometimes, and sometimes you are very gassy, so you can take Tums, which are easily available in any pharmacy stores. Tums do help you in reducing your acidities and reducing your heartburns, and also I think when you have a lot of gas problems, Tums reduces all that. It minutes it. You feel better, and the taste is also good. You don't feel pukish after eating. I'll put some more videos on what to expect on your ninth month, and while you're delivering, what to pack, how to pack your diaper bag and everything. But for now, I think my main topic was what to expect when you're expecting, and I hope I have covered points that you must be thinking about. Ciao. Bye bye.